Okay, welcome everyone as we follow the Daf, as we started our Chayvul tonight, and the Chumash Shiram B'Shalach. We will now go to the Mishna Yomis in the 7th parak of Kesuvos, as we learn Mishna Hay and Mishna Vav, dedicated by the Fisher family. Le'ilui Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shalom ben Avram Alevi Perel Bas Ruvain. Also Le'ilui Nishmas Chaim ben Avram ben Yom Benish L'Refush Shleim Fel Yomis ben Chai Sarah, for the schus of Avram ben Yom Benish ben Malk Yudis and family, by Yol Klugman and family for their Panas Berevach Ubekavod, and the Refush Shleima for Meir ben Chai Sarah. They should have a Refush Shleima b'Seich Shar Cheli Yisrael. Now the Mishnah tells us again, if a wife makes a vow and the husband does not annul it, which shows that he hates her, so Amadres Ishtay Shalei Telach Lebeisa Evel or Lebeisa Mishta, if he refuses to annul his wife's vow that she won't go to a house of mourning or a chasana, Yoitzi V'yiteng Ksuva, he has to divorce her and she could collect her Ksuva. Mipnei Shenoyel B'fonea, because he shuts the door of social friendship and happiness by not allowing her to go to a wedding. We know it's o chavrusa o misusa, either friendship or death. He also takes away from her the future that others will come to her funeral and eulogize her by not allowing her to eulogize and go to people's funerals. However, if he blocks it because he's worried that she sees improper people over there and it could lead to adultery, then Rashi, then he's allowed. If he says, I'll annul one of these vows, if you tell so-and-so that which you told me by Bia, a very intimate thing, or you tell them what I told you, or he demands that she act like a fool and fill up water and just dump it in the garbage dump, so she doesn't have to acquiesce to this behavior. Rather, Yoitzi, she could ask for a get, v'yiteng ksuva, and sue for her ksuva. The following women can be divorced and she loses her ksuva. If she breaks the law of the Torah and the Yehudis and the way that a Jewish woman should behave. Now, it's not if she doesn't keep the Torah. It has to be something that affects him. If she feeds him untied produce, making him eat tevel, or he catches her that she slept with him while she was a nida and didn't inform him, or she doesn't remove challah from his food, or if she makes a vow and doesn't uphold it. Now, even though this doesn't directly impact upon him, but since if a woman doesn't vow, it could cause her children to die, that will affect him, and therefore he could divorce her. The Ezoi Das Yehudis, what does it mean if she doesn't behave like a Jewish woman? If she went out with uncovered hair, or Vitove Bashuk, or she spins in the market with loose-fitting sleeves, so that the sleeves roll up and uncover her arms, or she flirts with all people. Abishol adds also if she curses his parents in his presence. Even if she's a very loud-mouthed woman and she propositions for intimacy in a voice that everybody hears. When she talks about intimate things, and her neighbors hear her voice, this is all reasons to divorce her without a ksuva. We want to thank you very much for joining us and wish you a wonderful evening.